In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a user to your Squarespace website. So a user in this case could be maybe an editor or an admin, basically somebody that can also work on the website with you. To be able to do this, we need to make sure that we're on our Squarespace website, and we need to go down to the left-hand side and click on the settings icon. From here on the left-hand side menu, we want to go all the way down to where it says permissions and ownerships and click into that menu. And then we want to click on this option right here, which says permissions and ownerships. From here, we can do two different things. We can either invite a contributor or add a basic author. Adding a basic author will only allow people to edit blog posts and things like that. But if we actually invite a contributor to our website, we can actually allow them to actually make full changes to the entire website. So if we go ahead and click invite contributor, we can pop their name in. I'm just going to use my name for this example. I'm just going to use an old email address of mine. And then from here, we're going to be able to give them certain different access rights. So you can see that they can have administrator access. So this is basically going to allow them to make all the different changes on their website, apart from owning the actual website. So for example, if I click this, this is basically just going to automatically select all of the different options. But if we wanted to be a little bit more detailed, we can go down and select the individual things that we want people to have access to. So in my case, I'm just going to give myself access to the website editor and the analytics page. And then if we go ahead and click invite, this has now sent an invite to that user, and you can also see the active invites sent on your permissions page right here. And you can also click into that and change the admin and the access settings that are available to that user if you wanted to reactively as well. But that is essentially how you can invite a user to edit content on your Squarespace website. Hope this video helped, and I'll see you in the next one.